Today I would like to explain here complex sentence. Now definition must be clear here. Complex sentence is one which has a principal clause or one or two subordinate clause. Definition of complex sentence clears that a complex sentence has a principal clause, a subordinate clause. Now we must clear what is clause. Clause is group of words and a part of sentence and a part of sentence that has subject and predicate. You can say that clause is a group of words and a part of sentence that has subject and predicate. We must try to know that if a group of words that has subject and predicate, but it is not a part of sentence, it must not be a clause, it must be a sentence. For a clause, it is the fundamental definition and fundamental basic requirements that a clause must be a part of sentence. If a group of words that has subject and predicate, but it is not a part of sentence, it will not be clause, it will be sentence. Now here principal clause is that group of words and principal clause is that clause which always complete its meaning itself and it does not take any kind of conjunction before it. In other hand, subordinate clause is the clause which never completes its meaning itself but always depends on principal clause for this, and it always takes subordinating conjunction like what, that, who, etc. before it. And so we can say that principal clause always completes its meaning, subordinate clause never completes its meaning, principal clause never takes any conjunction before him, and subordinate clause always takes a subordinate conjunction before it. Now principal clause does not have any kind of part. Subordinate has three parts: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Noun clause, but now question may be put up here that what is noun clause? Noun clause is that part of sentence. Noun clause is that part of sentence. Noun clause is that clause which has subject and predicate of its own and does the work of noun in this sentence. Reverse, adjective clause is that clause which has subject and predicate of its own and works in sentence of adjective. Other adverb clause that clause which has subject and predicate of its own and always works of adverb in the sentence is called adverb clause. That's all.